You don't need me to tell you because you know we have shown that St. Louis is home to so much talent, touching all over the world. Well, let me tell you about a movie premiere called Unresolved, and I am joined by that writer, director, producer, editor. Of course, you got to wear all the hats, especially from St. Louis. I am joined by Bruce Carlton Cunningham Jr. Bruce Carlton Cunningham Jr., who is here to tell us more about Unresolved. Wow, you have put your work in and made your hometown proud.
Thank you.
Yes. Tell me
you.
more. You said that you've been at this since you were 6 months old, and now that you've become a full young adult, now you have seen your movie premiere come to life. Talk to us about Unresolved and tee up this trailer so we can take a look.
All right, so Unresolved is about this guy who's just getting out of prison.
Okay.
And he's trying to make up for the lost time with his youngest daughter who's terminally ill, and at the same time reconnect with his oldest daughter who has befriended a deadly enemy from his past.
D! That's a good St. Louis story. What was the story inspired by? Is this biographical or?
I'm not just a figment of my imagination.
Right. Of your real imagination.
Yeah, real imagination. I'm a
realistic.
storyteller.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm a storyteller, and the concept started in 2007.
Okay.
You know, well, even longer than that, but I just had these stories that would just be in my head, and so the church I went to at the time, we did these shorts for a youth conference we were having, and so I got a few of my friends, hey, let's do this short. You know, my goddaughter was in there, my actual daughter, she wasn't born yet. She was on her way out the womb.
Right.
And so we did it then, and we did a sequel to it in 2008, and after that, you know, I put it on the shelf. And so, you know, I had to tend to life, family life, and stuff like that.
I mean, life was life, and as it should. But I think that's what speaks to how opportune this is, because a minute ago you said, I write for myself. I produce for myself. It got done because you said, I'm going to create this, I'm going to make this in the midst of life, in the midst of challenges, in the midst of everything else, I'm still going to do it. What kept you going to see it through to the end?
Everything I put my hand to, if I put my hand to it, I got to see it till it's done. And then in this particular project, I announced it. And so
you put it out there.
It was like, I have to get it done.
Yeah, I know
and
that one.
I got people watching me. I got my daughter watching me. So I can't fail. I failed the first time when I tried to do it in 2014. And she was older then, and we were there. And so, okay, you know, failure is not the end of the world.
So do you consider it still a failure?
Yeah,
when
I failed.
Now we're sitting here on TV talking about your movie.
Hey, I mean, first time you try, it fails, okay. They say, what, try it again?
Yeah.
Boom. And I tried it again. I just had to go back to the drawing board and, you know, let's figure some things out. Let's get this process in place.
Exactly.
Then let's attack it again.
Exactly.
And that's what I did.
Oh, well, you've got us in anticipation. Please open up and tell us about this trailer of your masterpiece.
Well, the trailer is this trailer. I had to get people excited. I wanted a trailer that'll grab you. And so I worked... I think about a month on the trailer. Because, you know, I wanted to hit what scenes, how can I put out a trailer without giving away the story?
Sure.
And so that's what I did, and I wanted to grab you.
Okay, so, you said grab.
Yeah.
All right, if you're ready to be grabbed in this gripping trailer about some real twists and turns in a pretty realistic story, take a look.
When is Daddy coming?
Every day I just see it getting weaker. You know, I can't handle that.
It's okay. We tried. You're the best mama ever, and I love you the most.
Since you out, what's your plan?
My girls, man.
Trying to get back to the daddy thing, huh?
I'm telling you, don't come back.
Those two patients were in a worse critical condition than your daughter.
My daughter was #1 on that list. You know, my mom's, she crying every day. I can't be around that, man. I be having a dip. You stay strong for your people. If I could do anything to have my big brother back, I would.
Look at you. Got half of St. Louis scared to even look at you wrong.
So who is this chick?
I see you got the game on lock.
Oh, she's still running in there, huh?
Yeah, in a major way.
God will come through. Watch.
Everybody always telling me how I gotta live. Turn the keys and drive. Everybody just need to shut the hell up.
You headed down the road you have no idea the mess you're gonna get yourself into.
Turn your ass around.
If I had to bet all my money, I will say that Heifer's behind this. In 15 seconds, I'm gonna pull this trigger.
Shoot, don't let that crap you listen to fool you. Ain't no fun sitting in no prison cell.
And in 17 seconds, you gonna cry like a little...
She is vicious.
What we gonna do, Tremaine? And in 30 seconds, the man standing behind you is going to shoot you.
Bang.
Now, do you understand the severity of your situation?
Time to pop that cherry. I thought you was done with all the streets and stuff anyway.
If you take one out, you take them all out.
Hold up then. Do I need to call stars right now?
Call 'em.
So first of all, shouts out to what a very well produced trailer. And if this is any indication of the film, I am so stoked. Mm-hmm. Are you proud?
Very.
How's it feel sitting on this side of, oh, I can't feel?
Let's wait till I'm excited. Like I was telling you, I'm excited, just tired.
Yeah,
but I'm excited. Wait till we get to the 25th.
Sure. When the premiere happens.
Deliver the movie to the theater.
Right. To actually show. Well, tell me about the cast and what's unresolved.
All right, so unresolved is I can't get away the secrets, so you gotta keep following.
What's the challenge, the conflict that?
Well, it's
the part because I felt a few ways. I was in my feelings like, ooh, I feel her. Ooh, I feel him. Like you had me all over the place.
So it's mimics real life. It's you got this person's world, you got this person's world, you got this character's world, and they all intermingle, whatnot. So
everything
and
all
so
at once.
if it's resolved, but then it's unresolved. It kind of like
the face that goes with it. Y'all see that face that goes with it? It's unresolved.
So you got to pay attention. I don't want to get nothing away. So you have to pay attention.
Well, then we must pay attention. Tell us first of all, introduce us to your cast because this looks like you've got some of the best in our region.
All right. Elizabeth McCormick. You have Tonette Latasha Holmes. You have Morgan Pierce. She's from East St. Louis. So we got somebody from East St. Louis. You got Kenita Parrish. You got Harmony Marie, which is actually my real daughter. And so, I casted her. Yes, and you have Cetrus Ivy Sr. He plays my brother in the film. You have Antonio Clark. You have a lot of other people. So, I can't go down the whole list because it's a lot.
But you give us a sense of, don't sleep on St. Louis.
No.
There's a lot going on, but where your attention goes is where the energy flows. Mm-hmm. And this is something to pay real attention to, especially for us here in St. Louis and STL TV. What does this mean for St. Louis?
St. Louis is a renaissance taking place in the arts, in the film arts, theater, acting. And so, but when we talking specifically film, there's a renaissance taking place. And, growing up, California, Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, Atlanta, and everybody, even Detroit now, everybody has their film base and things going on in that city. St. Louis has so much potential. Mm-hmm. It just takes a few stories. And a lot of stories. And it just takes a few just to let's get it rolling. you know.
Yeah.
And so, you know, I see this as the beginning. You know, the wheels were already turning. It's just starting to manifest out into the public now because I'm of just one great filmmaker here in St. Louis.
I mean, just one of the greats. Touch and agree.
Oh, yeah.
Very well done. Invite folks to the premiere and make sure you sell it so we don't miss it.
Oh yeah, so come to the premiere. It's August 25th. August 25th through August 31st at the St. Louis Galleria. You can go on their website and order tickets now. And then the next week will be from August 31st to September the 6th. And you can order your tickets. And that'll be at the MX Theater downtown. So again.
And why don't we want to miss this film?
You don't want to miss this film because it was produced right here in St. Louis. You have St. Louis actors, you have St. Louis crew, people that worked in the background, you have St. Louis artists on the music. And so this is a chance to see what St. Louis can actually do. Absolutely. So why not come out and see it? And it's a good production. You see the trailer, right?
I mean, I am very pleased, very proud of you. Oh, yeah. Bruce Carlton Cunningham Jr.
Exactly.
Shouts out to you, your crew, this whole work, Elizabeth Danielle, PR agency, everyone who brought this to our attention. This is powerful. Make sure you don't miss Unresolved, the movie, at Unresolved Movie on Facebook and Instagram. Go to un-resolved.com for more information, and you can check out the trailer and more at the website. Bruce Cunningham and the crew have done a great job. And not only do we want to just, see what St. Louis is going on, be a part of what makes St. Louis great, and let everybody know how cold we are. Don't let it be unresolved. Check out the movie. I'm Jade Harrell. STL TV is on social media everywhere, but you can always stream us at stltv.net and experience St. Louis.